Hello and welcome to the Let's Learn project. If this is your first time visiting our channel, kindly consider subscribing and sharing to other students to also learn. Today we are looking at the question from significant figures, and the question reads: express 1.99876 to three significant figures. Express 1.99876 to three significant figures. So let's delve straight into the question and see how it can be solved. Alright, so the question states that we should express 1.99876 to three significant figures. And as you can see, we have 6 digits here. We have to express the number to three significant figures. And we know that the most significant number in this number is 1 here. So it means if we are looking for three significant figures within this number, we have to look from the left hand side. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So these are three significant figures. But then we are not done. We have to look to the right hand side of the last significant figure. So the last significant figure is the 9 that we have here. So if we are looking to the right hand side of the last significant figure, the number there is 8. Then we consider 8 between these numbers. Is 8 between 0 to 4, or it is between 5 to 9. If the number to the right hand side of the last significant figure is among this set of numbers, we will leave the number as it is. We won't add any number. We won't add 1 to the last significant figure. But if it is among these numbers, then we would have to add 1 to the last significant figure. And we can see here that 8 is part of this set of numbers. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 8 is definitely part of these numbers. So it means we have to add 1 to the last significant figure. But you can see here that if we add 1 to the 9, so I have 1.99 this way, and I'm supposed to add 1 here. If I add 1 to this 9, it is going to be 10. So I have to write 0 and then move the 1 to the next significant figure, which is 9. So I have to add 1 to 9 again. And 1 plus 9 becomes 10. So I have to write 0 and add 1 to the next significant figure. The number here is 1. So when I add 1 to it, it becomes 2. So you see what I did. The number to the right hand side of the last significant figure is 8. So it means I have to add 1 to the next significant figure. But the number there is 9. If I add 1 to 9, it becomes 10. So I write 0 and move to the next significant figure, which was also 9. If I add 1 to that 9 also, it becomes 10. So I have to write 0 and then push forward to the next significant figure. If I add 1 to the next significant figure, which is 1 there, it becomes 2. So it means that 1.99876 is approximately 2.00, and this is 3 significant figures. So this becomes your answer. Alright, thank you very much for watching the video. Kindly consider subscribing to help this channel. See you in another video. Goodbye.